Hello everyone, this is Drew Drives at Grubbs Acura in Grapevine, Texas, and today let's go for a rainy night drive in this 2025 Acura MDX Type S Advance. Top trim level of the MDX and Acura's flagship vehicle. I already have multiple videos on test drive videos on the MDX Type S, but just want to get a night drive as I've been doing with a few Acura models recently. I made a night drive video on the RDX A-Spec Advance and MDX A-Spec Advance if you want to check those out. So MDX Type S, 355 horsepower, 354 pound-feet of torque with a 3-liter turbo V6. Here are the ambient lights. In the interior, massage seats are on. You also have the black Bang & Olufsen speaker grills. Purpose of the night drive is it's going to be a quiet drive after this point, just to see how the vehicle sounds and feels on the road. But yeah, so as far as the ambient lights go, you have the lights right there and up here. On the pre-facelift MDX Type S, it had the ELS Studio Signature Edition 25 speaker sound system, which this one does not have. Since that's Bang & Olufsen, it just has the black speakers. Well, let's get this MDX Type S out on the road for this drive. Oh, you know what? Let's just walk around it real quick too. Typically do a quick walk around as well. This one has the Orchid interior. Liquid carbon metallic exterior. Pretty good combo. For some reason I forgot that they made liquid carbon with Orchid. Here are the Joula LED lights in action. And of course the MDX Type S has an air suspension too. But yeah, the MDX Type S is one of my favorite SUVs. I really like it. And put it in Sport Plus. Thanks for joining me on this quick rainy night drive in this 2025 MDX Type S. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Acura in the description below if you would like to shop for your own MDX Type S. Thanks again, and I'll see you all in the next video.